I'm sorry.
Over here.
I get excited when I'm on these bikes.
Fine, dude. I just don't want to die. That was so solid, bro.
Damn, now we're gonna be sitting here for a while, bro.
All right, I'm coming. I'm coming. Watch this. Never mind, you pull on for me.
Your car's behind you. I gotta go. All right, all right.
We stopping, locking them up.
And that time you were like, I gotta get through it, and I was like, I gotta stop.
Can't even hear mine amongst yours.
Yeah, yours sounds like shit, bro. Like opening your luggage, everything flies out.
Oh no, my Ducati exclusive tools, the dog and the baby combo.
That's why I try going slow next to them. But I'm like, nah, let's not try to. There's also our destination's on the right up here.
Looks a million. There's a Target right here too.
Yeah, I'm not going to that Target. They're not gonna have what we want.
We don't support them anymore, honestly.
Yeah, fuck Target, bro.
After the incident.
A bunch of ops for real.
I hate them.
Well,
I know that one was thinking, wow, that kid on that Diavel's really cool.
shut up.
But the Multistrata guy, can't hear him enough, so.
Alright, where are we parking out? You know what would kind of suck is like if someone took a TikTok of us getting off the bikes, like in front of Books A Million. They're like, it's like a girl. She's like, I found the motorcycle guy. Now what do I do? Because I've seen TikToks like that.
Really?
Yeah, we're like posting videos of like bikes in front of bookstores, but it's like, little do they know, we're already on a mission.
Part 2.
Part 2 indeed.
Oh, God, dude.
I know. I had a big lunch.
It's huge.
Let me get the door for you.
You buying me books today?
Yeah.
Hey.
Alright, so what we need. So it's light lark. Is that what it says, light lark? Yeah. Fucking around and bride. Back in this, this feels so weird to come back to this section without my girl with me. And the problem is, their selection is way bigger, and I might have to ask someone.
We went from being underwhelmed to overwhelmed.
Can you go ask them?
I can talk to people. Oh, we'll try.
Do you have earplugs? Do you have earplugs in?
No.
Oh yeah, then you go.
I can hear.
They'll know my name. They'll know me. You have to ask them. Yeah. Ask them if they have Bride by Ali Hazelwood.
Can I use your phone for reference?
Yeah, sure. Go for it. Now you're gonna steal it. Oh, are they right in the front?
Dude, right when we walked in.
We seriously walked right past it, bro. All right, cool.
There's one down.
That's one.
We were probably looking right at the other one. Oh, we were.
No way. Were we actually? Oh my God, we were. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate that. Look at that. We got 3 books, all 3.
Thank you for one more. Sorry. I have one I gotta pull up. This one. This is easy.
Yeah. What does this say? He has no idea why his alpha tasked him with helping me and where the world is. I love reading them.
Are you kidding, bro?
What?
That's crazy.
He hasn't moved a muscle. His entire body shudders and we're in my room. I expect us to tumble onto my mattress where he lowers me inside the closet on the mound of blankets and pillows I assembled. I don't understand it either, but whatever. You know, she's into it.
Each their own, but...
Yeah. It's alright. Hey, you got something for your girl too. What'd she get?
I don't know how weird it is. Should I read it?
Go for it.
Like a random...
Just one sentence.
Elm sucked his teeth. Too far, brother. Even for you, this is too far. She's one of them?
She's one of them, bro. I hate to tell you. I mean, it's a curse and a blessing, depending on how you look at it, but thank you. Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thanks for your help.
I will just throw these in my bag until we're on the way back. We survived.
We did it.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say, I didn't look for shit, bro. I went in there, I'm like, I don't want to spend more time in here than what I have to. I'm like, fuck that.
Dude, that one was clutch, bro.
Yeah, she
You know how long we would have been in there for, dude?
She like insta-locked on that shit, bro. She knew exactly where it was.
That's awesome. She was awesome, dude.
Hell yeah. Yes, I don't like going to these things often without my girl. Kind of is like, I don't know where anything is. I would have definitely spent like an hour in there by myself, like trying to figure out where everything is. But I'm glad I had you with me.
Just contributed so much with you.
Well, no, you asked them. I didn't have to. I didn't have to do shit.
Talk to anyone. Social
yeah,
interaction.
we're gonna cut that out. Yeah. No social interaction for me, bro. We always know how that goes. Fuck that shit. So, fuck them. All right.
I'm gonna try and like translate for you because she was like talking to you, and I was like, oh yeah, he's not about to hear any of this.
Megan's gonna kill me if these books get damaged. I already know. I kind of feel bad. They might get a little smushed up in the backpack, but she's getting free books. I mean, I don't.
Yeah. Get a Kindle if you're worried about it.
Yeah, right? That's what I'm saying, bro. She's always yelling at me. She's like, don't put fingerprints on it. Don't scrunch the spine.
Don't even touch them. Don't touch them.
That basically,
like, levitate them.
That's basically what she says. I'm like, bro, like, I'm doing my best, man. Like, I ride motorcycles. Sorry, shit gets a little dirty sometimes. Come on, man. Yeah.
Like, don't get me wrong, I love riding my bikes, but someone else's bikes feels different.
It's fucking windy.
Where you going?
Not the Chick-fil-A. I'm usually one to pick up trash whenever I see it outside, but I don't really see a trash can I can run to quickly to put it away. Actually, I do. Hold on. I'm gonna go get a water bottle too. I'm not gonna catch that. No!
Good Samaritan. Dude!
I got it.
God, dude.
Saving the planet.
That's
It's covered in shit. This is just gonna end up in a landfill somewhere, or even the wind might knock it out of this trash can anyway. This is why I'm an environmental scientist, bro. I can't not clean things up. Yeah. No! Fuck. She's gonna kill me if these books get damaged, bro. I already know she's gonna be pissed. I can feel them like fucking jiggling around in my bag. I feel bad, but it's like I can't really do anything about it. I gotta.
You want the books or no?
Yeah, it's like I can't really do anything about it, and I'm glad we didn't wait till last minute to get them.
Yeah, no, we were actually working on a good time frame today. Didn't take too long. I mean, we can probably even go somewhere still.
Oh yeah, we got plenty of time. What is it? What time is it? Mine says 2:47, so I don't. Yours sounds more correct, yeah.
This is woman right here. Yo, what time is it?
But you actually did. I was like, you fucker.
Sheesh.
Woo, shee. All right, we're gonna stop at the gas station up here on the right.
Alrighty. Even with my big feet, I can barely like flat foot this thing.
Flat footing this bike, no problem. See, I don't know who is buying the Street Fighter over this bike. This bike is way better than the Street Fighter. Your turn right.
I got scared. Anxiety kicking in. Kind of feel bad. I did not use my turn signal whatsoever at that last one.
Which one are you stopping at?
Forward.
I'm gonna use my phone to check what time it actually is. Well,
Oh my god, dude.
you okay, old man?
Yeah, dude, on the angle, getting off this thing.
It is 1:46, by the way. It says it's raining right now, but I don't really see that.
They're lying, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, let me get my credit card.
Time for me to get my credit card.
Do we have to fill it up?
They don't have a rule for that, but I remember they asked Ryan one time if we ride him enough. You know, it's kind of like we should probably fill him up.
Yeah, no. You're like, yeah, ride the multi to the gas station.
Sorry. You want to take my card?
No, I don't care. What does this thing take?
Don't rip me. Oh my god. It takes premium 93. It's a V4, bro.
Damn! It's $499.99.
Yeah, bro. It's expensive out here. Wow, you just spill it everywhere, all over the fucking tank, bro. No respect at all for the bike.
Rank up.
She a thirsty girl.
It up. Dude, that thing is just, oh.
I know. I love it.
It's so.
It's not my bike though. I want one, but I just don't have the room for it.
Nice bike, man.
I would consider selling the S1000 for this, but the S1000 is just like
Get out of here.
they're very similar in like terms of usability. So
It says 14 miles left. Did it take gas out of the tank?
no, I think it's because the bike has to be on for it to calculate how many miles you have left, as in like ignition on, not just sitting with the key in.
For real. Oh, I just realized, dude, we didn't check the tire pressure. We're gonna die.
I want to die. Lose the $800 key.
Oh, you have to. Body's too fancy for me, bro. You know how to pop this thing back in here?
Turn the key and push it down.
Come on, man. That's too easy.
Good.
This key is like kind of cheap on the key side.
Here, I will help.
Like I covered his ear. I kind of feel bad. Oh, we full, babe.
Oh, turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right.
Go, 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 go.
Jesus, I didn't have that much speed. I love how fast this thing can stop. Like it accelerates so fast, but then you just like, if something happens like that, it just stops on a dime.
There's so much salt here, bro.
It's not like that down by you?
Not really.
Dude.
I mean, it was wet though. It rained this morning for me.
Oh, really? It didn't for us. That's probably why you didn't have that much salt by you, is because it rained.
Yeah.
Lucky bitch. Yeah, no, we got it's.
Hey, you suck.
They dumped the salt out here. That's why I told you not to ride your bike. I'm like, bro, you see this? Like.
Yeah. Bro, when at CSU they got mounds of that, like mounds.
That's what I'm saying. Fuck that, bro. I'm not taking my bike out on that. No.
I sent you a picture of the mound. I said.
Oh yeah, on the sidewalk.
Yeah, shit's crazy.
I mean, I get why they put it down. It's because like they're trying to avoid the ice, especially these past few days have been pretty cold. It's like it's important to have it down, but yeah, when it gets warm like this, it really sucks that it's everywhere.
You know, for like businesses, if they salt the sidewalk and people still get hurt, you can still sue them. But if you don't maintain it at all, it's up to their discretion.
What? I feel like it's backwards.
It's a really weird gray area, at least for the code where I live. My boss is telling me about it.
I think it's better to salt it, like on legal grounds. It's probably better to salt it than not at all.
We do salt it, but someone broke her arm at my work, and we paid her medical bills because it was salted, but she still slipped, and it's just like that's user diff right there.
I saw an old lady fall this morning, and I felt so bad. I fucking ran up to her, helped her. She was walking into the church, bro. I was like, I had the help.
Yeah.
I walked her. I was like 5 minutes late to class, but I helped her walk to the rest of the way.
You're a great guy.
I was like, dude, She was such a sweet lady too. She's like, oh, you're a good one. I'm like, oh, thank you.
You found her. She was like, ah!
Dude, she was on the ground. I'm like, fuck. I watched her fall. She had like a walking like roller, and she got stuck on a curb and fucking, or not a curb, like a crack in the road, and fucking tumbled over. Yeah, I couldn't. I felt so bad. I'm like, my mom's got bad hip problems, bro.
Yeah.
I just hope.
Your mom's a nurse, right?
Yeah, I just hope like someone would do the same for like her. You know what I mean?
Oh no. Rev up. I like this weather to the right here. It's climate.
Go off-roading on the ice.
Yeah, for real. My boy Lean in that bad boy town.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That dog up there is just vibing, enjoying life. I love it, bro. Love to see it. That is a fucking beautiful shot right there. Wow.
Let me just drive in that real quick. Gotta refresh.
It's a little hot outside. You know, me and my buddy did that back when I was on my first bike. We would come down here in like the middle of summer when it's like 90 degrees out. We're out riding during the day. We'd come jump in the river and then hop back on the bike, so we'd be like, so
Oh, dude.
it was so much fun.
Hi, bikers.
We're actually state law. We're supposed to wait for him, but I didn't see him until it was too late. So
I saw them. They
you're a
suck.
dick.
So.